Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by huringa.co.in. Today we are going to discuss about Electrosteel stock. Electrosteel stock is a below rupees 100 stock, and recently it has been in the news for its increase in the price, which is it made a higher percentage. It went up by 12.79%, which is a little bit on the higher side. So everybody is looking at the stock and have been thinking that whether this particular stock is good for either long term investment or swing trading, or day trading, how we can use, how we can gain from this stock. So in this regard, TrendRider has decided to analyze the stock from its technical analysis points in a very easy manner so that you all can understand. So I'm opening this technical analysis chart here for Electrosteel, and whatever you are seeing is a monthly chart with all the indicators. Now, first, before we start discussing about the technical analysis, first I would like to introduce you to the technical indicators that I have been using here. I'm using RSI, MACD, momentum, Darbus, and super trend, and whatever moving averages. That's what zigzag. Okay. Now, as I already told you, I am using custom parameters based on my pace and experience. Trading pace and experience. So you can do the same thing based on your trading pace and experience, and can obtain. Whatever parameters you are going to use, you have to see whether those parameters can give you enough. With the help of those parameters, the technical indicators that I've been using can give you enough signals or not. Okay, that is the baseline. Now, coming back to the Electrosteel technical analysis, first I would like to focus on the swing trading. So for that, I am going to uh, day chart. Okay, so this is the day chart of Electrosteel, and what I'm seeing right now is the overall trend of Electrosteel is coming down. Okay, it's like the market is the price is coming down. Okay, and it is making new lows and new highs, which are lesser than the previous lows and previous highs. The lows are higher, and highs are lower. Okay, so because of that, the trend is going down. The trend is going down. If you see this peak and see this peak. Okay, now sorry. Now, why this particular spike has happened, and recently, and how come this 12.79% in a single day? So for that, we can see the super trend. From the fundamental analysis, we are not focusing on the fundamental analysis. What external factors might have caused this super spike here, but from the technical analysis point, this super trend, you see this green lines here, green arrows. Okay, this is the super trend. Because of this super trend, from the technical analysis point, because of the super trend, spike has happened, and normally it happens. Even if you see here, whenever this green arrow comes, this is a super trend arrow. Okay, you see the spike here. Okay, but one thing is sure, for swing trading, if you are looking for, if you had invested the moment the green arrow is formed here, then you might have gained 24.94, and the spike is up to 29. No, at least 5 rupees. At least 5 rupees you might have gained here. But after seeing the spike, seeing the spike means after this particular thing happened. Now if you invest, I don't know, I don't think that you may gain much. So, and at the same time, the stock is trending in is going down. If you see the stock is going down here. So this is one particular thing. It is suggests us that it is not making new highs which are greater than the previous high. Right now, it is making new highs which are lesser than the previous high. So this is the previous high. This is the new high. If you think that way, then this one is higher and this one is lower. So the price is going down here. Okay. Now, even the same thing applies here also. 90% applies here, unless some miracle happens and this particular spike will continue, and this becomes a trend, and the stock will overshoot and crosses all these previous highs. and then goes up. Okay, a miracle has to happen. But if you go by the trend, then I don't see then it is going to do all those things. Then for swing trading, based on my analysis, and even though RSI is picking up here, MACD is this thing, and momentum is also on the high. I think for the next one more day, I think maybe Monday, this may rise. The stock may rise, but I am not seeing very big increase in the price when it comes to this particular stock. So if I'm in your place, in your shoes, then I don't think that I will invest in this Electrosteel thing from a swing trading point of view. Okay, now we will go to the day trading thing. For that, I'm going to 1 minute chart. I want to see the momentum here actually. The momentum here in day trading, actually, if you see on the last trading day, is not that much. I mean, there are no spikes. There are the most of the time, 95% of the time, the momentum graph is sticking to the baseline. Okay, only in the last minute it spiked up and it went down. Okay, so it means that even the MACD is also same. I mean, most of the time it is like sleeping, and suddenly in the last minute it went up, and but again the trend line went below the red line, and RSI is also going down here. If you take the baseline as a 50-50 baseline, RSI is also going down. So I'm not seeing much. So for day trading also, I don't think because unless there is a lot of volatility, we cannot do day trading, and we cannot expect significant profits. There's no point in day trading, with respect to a stock whose momentum graph is just sleeping on the baseline. Okay, so this particular stock is not eligible even for day trading as per my analysis. Now I want to check whether this stock is suitable for long term trading or not. So I'm going to the monthly chart. I want to see the monthly chart. Okay, here I have a lot of data from 2000 onwards up to 2017 October 15. What I'm seeing right now is the stock in 2000 has picked up and it went up to 1583, and now it has come down. Actually, the overall trend since 2000 is like 2002 2017 so far is like the stock is coming down. Okay, and second thing is the RSI. If you look at the RSI, there are a few peaks here and there. It peaked up the last 17 years. It peaked up only three or four times. Again, this peaking up depends upon the parameter that you are using. Here I am using 7, but if you go for 10 or something, then you may see very few peaks. At least 7 is a very super this thing parameter. I mean, very even a short spike also it shows, because of the parameter setting, and even that setting is displaying maximum 3 peaks or four peaks here. So I don't see the stock is picking up. Anyway, we all can see the stock is going down here, and MACD is actually we cannot we see the lines converging here, and momentum is almost slipping. So I don't think the people who had invested in the stock long time ago had not made much money. Actually, their money, I mean, the price has gone down, so they might have made losses. And I see the same trend in the nearby future also. So I don't recommend the stock for long term investment also. So this is the analysis from my side. So guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to my TRENDRIDER channel. Thank you.